Hello guys, Nicolas from Leos here. Today I want to talk to you about how to deal with multiple optional files you want to include on specific libraries using Platformio and advanced scripting. This advanced scripting features allowing you to select dynamically which files you will want to use on a specific configuration for your libraries. To demonstrate it to you, let me just show you this Platformio.ini, which is this specific project. So we have, as you can see, 3 dependencies, and those dependencies have different kind of configuration you can select on the build flags. As you can see here, we have Leos HAL, which is the STM32F4. So basically, I tell that I want Leos to use STM32F4 libraries, allowing to work properly on this kind of microcontrollers. And so I have different other options for the pipes, such as I want to use the serial thing, I want to use Nucleo F4, which is kind of the same that STM32F4. And here on the gate format, which is an option of the gate library here, I want to use the tiny JSON way of translating things. So those configurations will change the files that will be included into all those libraries. So when I compile this thing, as you can see, the compilation gives me back the results of my configuration in green. So here the tiny JSON have been selected. I will use the Nucleo F4 with the serial mode, and I will use the STM32 and things like that. So now let me show you how we made it. To show it to you, I'm going to use this hardware abstraction layer here by selecting the STM32F4 in US Engine. So in US Engine, we have some folders dedicated to hardware abstraction layers. Let me find it to you. So here is the folder dedicated to hardware abstraction layer. In this folder, you can find a lot of different other folders. On the configuration here, I need to specify the name of the folder I want to use to compile US Engine. Then US Engine will launch a script. To launch a script, let me show you. So basically in the library.json, which is describing the library, we add an extra script, which is source filter script.py, which is this one. On this folder, we find the CPP define, which are the -d build flag things, and we are looking for Leos HAL, and we get back the value of this Leos HAL to find the good folders and include it into the compilation process. And you can use it for any kind of optional code on your libraries. If you want to have a look at it, you can reach out the Leos Engine GitHub repository. The link is available in the description. And also, if you want to directly ask me about it and talk about it, you can join my Discord channel and directly talk with me. The link is also available on the description of this video. Have a good day, guys. Bye.